Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain immediate pay cap review to see if it's worth using. So to get started, in 2025 immediate pay stand out as a helpful tools for employees needing early access to earned wages. It allows users to transfer part of their paycheck before payday, often within hours, and includes extras like budgeting tools, financial education, and discount prescription access. The app is user-friendly and highly rated, especially for its clear interface and responsive customer support, making it a solid choice for workers looking for short-term cash flow flexibility. Still, there are limitations. Some user reports delay in payout with immediate, sometimes takes up to 24 hours, and withdrawal fees around $3 per transaction. There are also minimal cash out limit and occasional login or account synchronization issue. And here's a viral conclusion about this app. So immediate pay is worth it for occasional early wages access and added financial tools, but don't rely on it for emergencies when you need money instantly. And that's it. Hope you find the video a lot more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more. Thanks.